everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make 厚揚げのカレーチーズ焼き。厚揚げ is deep fried tofu. Because it's tofu, depending on how you cook it, it can be a little too flavorless. But with this curry and cheese seasoning, it's never boring. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this 厚揚げのカレーチーズ焼き. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 packs of 厚揚げ deep fried tofu, 3 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese, pinch of sugar, 2 teaspoons of curry powder or curry spice mix, dried parsley and some salt and pepper. Let's cut 厚揚げ into blocks. It's a bit wet, so let's dry with paper towel. Then just cut it into blocks. About this size. And curry and cheese seasoning. You just need to mix everything in one bowl. 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, pinch of sugar, some salt and pepper, and dried parsley. Give it a mix. And the seasoning is ready. Heat up about a tablespoon of vegetable oil in the frying pan. And let's saute 厚揚げ. Saute it for 7 minutes or so, and it's nicely browned all over. Let's add the seasoning. Give it a mix. And keep cooking for about a minute. Kill the heat and it's done. Let's serve in the bowl here. More parsley if you like. 揚げのカレーチーズ焼き It's ready to go! Time for the tasting! いただきます。It's so crunchy, almost chewy on the outside, creamy and silky inside. The curry and cheese seasoning mask the bluntness of tofu completely, and it's so good! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 厚揚げのカレーチーズ焼き is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. Plain rice here, and how about egg and kimchi miso soup here, so that you have enough protein to pass the main. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!